Sublime radial devices are truly have revolutionized the radial to peripheral interventions. Their 5 French sheath allows us to do distal work. It's 150 centimeters, which allows us to choose certain patients whose radial arteries are not big enough. So we can now perform peripheral interventions through radial arteries of even arteries which are smaller than 2.5 millimeters using these Sublime products. Also, the Sublime balloons are of length of 220 centimeters and 250 centimeters, which allows us to do very distal infrapopliteal work and pedal arch work from the radial artery, which was otherwise not possible in the past.